Space is so big that the human brain can't even fully understand it. There are billions of planets out there. Billions. And somehow, people still think humans are the only life in the entire universe? That sounds almost impossible when you really think about it. Like, imagine scooping a cup of water out of the ocean, finding no fish in it, and then saying the entire ocean has no life. That's basically what humans are doing with space right now. And here's where it gets creepy. Scientists have already found planets that could possibly support life. Some might have water. Some might even have atmospheres similar to Earth. But the universe is so massive that we've barely explored any of it. So what if there's something out there watching us already? Not movie aliens with giant heads and lasers, but life forms so advanced, humans wouldn't even understand them. Civilizations millions of years ahead of us. Think about this. Humans went from horses to smartphones in barely over 100 years. So imagine a species that's been advancing for 1,000,000 years longer than us. Their technology would probably look like literal magic. And another weird thing. Why is the universe so quiet? There's actually something called the Fermi paradox. Basically, if life should exist everywhere, then where is everybody? Why haven't we clearly seen aliens yet? Some people think it's because intelligent life always destroys itself before becoming advanced enough to explore space. Wars, climate disasters, AI, diseases. Maybe every civilization eventually collapses. Others think aliens are out there, but they avoid us on purpose. Like humans watching animals in a zoo. And honestly, if aliens are real, there's a chance they already know humans exist. Because Earth has been sending signals into space for over 100 years. Radio, TV broadcasts, military, signals, all of that has been traveling outward this entire time. Somewhere out there, another civilization could literally be watching old human broadcasts right now. Imagine aliens seeing memes before actually meeting humans. But here's the creepiest theory of all. What if humans are the aliens? Some people believe life on Earth may have started from microorganisms carried through space on asteroids billions of years ago. Meaning, technically, life here might have come from somewhere else entirely, which means every living thing on Earth could originally be connected to another part of the universe. And if that's true, then maybe humans were never alone in the first place. But here's where the theories get even crazier. Some people believe aliens already visited Earth a long time ago. Not recently, thousands of years ago. Think about ancient civilizations. The pyramids, massive stone structures, giant statues carved out of mountains. Some people look at those things and wonder how humans built them with such limited technology. Now, obviously, humans were smart enough to build incredible things back then. But conspiracy theories say maybe humans weren't completely alone. Maybe ancient people saw something in the sky they couldn't explain and treated it like gods. And honestly, if aliens visited ancient humans, would people even understand what they were seeing? Imagine giving a smartphone to someone from 2,000 years ago. They'd probably think it was magic. So if an advanced civilization showed up with technology far beyond ours, ancient humans might have written stories about gods descending from the sky. A lot of old cave paintings and ancient texts are weird too. Some show strange shapes in the sky, glowing objects, figures wearing things that almost look like helmets. Most of it probably has normal explanations, but some people think there's more to it. Then there's Area 51, probably the most famous alien conspiracy ever. It's a real military base in Nevada, and the government kept a lot of what happened there secret for years. That alone made people suspicious. Then, stories started spreading about crashed UFOs, hidden alien technology, and even alien bodies being stored there. The craziest part? The US government actually admitted that some UFO sightings are real objects they can't fully explain. They don't officially say aliens, but they've released videos of strange flying objects moving in ways people didn't expect. So now people wonder, what are those things? Secret military technology? Natural phenomena? Or something not from Earth? And think about this. If aliens are real, governments probably wouldn't instantly tell everyone. Imagine the panic. Religions would question everything. People would freak out. Society would probably go insane online overnight. So some people think governments hide information slowly on purpose. But another theory is even scarier. What if aliens know humans exist and choose to stay away from us? Think about how humans treat less intelligent animals. We observe them, study them, sometimes ignore them completely. So what if humans are just the less advanced species being watched by something smarter? There's even something called the dark forest theory. This theory says the universe is quiet because every civilization is hiding. Why? Because if intelligent life reveals its location, another civilization could destroy them first before becoming a threat. Basically, space might be like a dark forest where every civilization stays silent to survive. And honestly, that idea is terrifying. Because it means the silence of space might not be peaceful. It might mean everyone is hiding from something. Another creepy thought. Humans have only existed for a tiny fraction of the universe's history. The universe is around 13 billion years old. Humans have had modern technology for barely over 100 years. That's nothing. An alien civilization could have risen, expanded across galaxies, and gone extinct before humans even existed. We could already be late to the universe, or maybe we're early. Maybe humans are one of the first intelligent civilizations ever. Maybe one day, we become the aliens exploring other planets. Imagine humans landing on another world millions of years from now and discovering primitive life looking up at us the same way ancient humans looked at the stars. And then, there's the weirdest theory of all. What if aliens aren't from space? Some people think they could exist in another dimension entirely, not planets, dimensions humans can't normally see. And that would explain why UFO stories always seem so strange and hard to understand. Maybe humans aren't seeing spaceships. Maybe we're seeing tiny glimpses of something our brains aren't built to fully process. Sounds crazy, but honestly, the universe itself is already crazy. Black holes exist. Time slows down in space. There are planets where it literally rains glass sideways. Scientists already know reality is far stranger than humans expected, so maybe the idea of other life out there isn't actually that unbelievable. Because at the end of the day, humans are just one species living on a tiny rock floating through endless space. And the creepiest part is, we still have almost no idea what's really out there.